Today we're going to re-explore Bulldog Wash and a new section of Bulldog Canyon. If you're subscribed, which you should be, you should remember that I already made a video of Bulldog Wash and Bulldog Canyon. But that video was in the winter and was on the south path of Bulldog Canyon. But this time we headed north. So expect a complete change of scenery.
This is done right. It is becoming.
Bulldog Wash is very different in the spring. We saw way more animals and plant life. The terrain is beginner friendly since most of the obstacles can be avoided by going a bit off the route. The different paths that are alongside the main trail gives an area to explore and different experience each time. There's so many flowers, but we didn't have time to take pictures of them. One issue that may arise is the temperature can heat the engine, so take a break to let it cool. Sadly, we didn't see other vehicles on the trail, so I cannot tell you about them. However, everything via 4x4 to an SUV are allowed. Subscribe, you can see that bird. Hey guys, look, we found a dead snake. Walkers are optional since we climbed the hill fine with just 4 high autos and sway bar disconnected, and barely needed 4 lows. at that shedded snake skin. Leave a like if you can see that rabbit over there. I recommend braking at the bottom of this spot since it has tree for shady and sandy ground, so watch out for snakes. There are cliffs covered with this green stuff, which I think is lichen. Last time we turned right through the south Bulldog Canyon, but this time we turned left to the north Bulldog Canyon. We saw a ranger on the patrol, so make sure you follow the rules. I will give this Bulldog Wash a 4 out of 5 this time because there were so many wildflowers and seeing wild snake for the first time. It was memorable. So it was a great trail for spring break. Like and subscribe, guys. Bye!